I'm Christina Larson, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about a very important aspect of AUIB, the English Language Academy. Here at AUIB, students learn in English and they're taught in English. So the purpose of the Academic Success Program is to prepare your language skills so that way when you enter the major that you've chosen, you're well prepared. The course has 6 levels, but before beginning the program, students must first take a placement exam to determine their language ability. After taking the placement exam, if they score between a 1 and 3, they'll start their university journey just taking English. If they score a 4 and above, they'll be allowed to take undergraduate courses along with their English classes. This reduces the amount of time they're spending in the English Language Academy and allows them to also go ahead and start their university journey. Our staff has high qualifications from universities all over the world coming to teach you at AUIB. Please check out our website or call the numbers below for more information. See you soon.